Peller and Jarvis are having the biggest wedding ceremony in Nigeria this year. Like, it's going crazy in Lagos. The street of Lagos is filled with super expensive and luxurious cars, with celebrities, musicians, influencers turning up in massive numbers with their super expensive and luxurious cars. It has been a total shutdown in Lagos. This is going to go down in history as one of the biggest weddings in 2026 as for now. But as we can see, Peller is already looking fresh and clean, and Jarvis also, as they stepped out today for their wedding ceremony. A lot of Nigerian celebrities already present to welcome them. It is going to be a massive one. Look at how the whole thing has been going down.
So we're outside for JP 2026. Keep it lots of the race for the highlight. What are you saying, bro? Congratulations. Did you really marry? No, not contest. Well, I can't Alright, so now, you know what Alright, so now, everybody, I like that. Okay, my guy, So, I like this. So, look left, right, my guy, just talk to your guys. Peller. Alright, smile. Go back again. Oh, so now you guys just deliberate. After 50. Joe. Grab your chin. Belly. When I stand. Oh. We don't do that. Grab your chin. Thank you so much. We are pulling to the wedding. God.
time you were dancing, they are looking at you. Oh, Baba, make your mental alarm to my joke. Yes, yes. Gege. Gege, where you from? Delta State. Is it Igbo Delta? Urobo. Urobo, Wado! Hey! Once I sing for you, you do what? You do what? You dance. Urobo, Wado! Hey! Oh yeah! We are going. Wait, it's one after the other. Oh yeah! We are going. We are going. Okay, man. We are Thank you. Come to this side. Who is the second person? Huh?
Jarvis, respond now.
You know, Sabi, language.
I see the girl, they tire me.
He will apologize first.
Shut up with this to apologize. Go and meet something else to apologize for.
You say sorry.
Come meet me. Pissing you up. Then come to the picture.
Every time you will pissing me off. When
I'm not saying sorry. Yes, I'm not. We are rushing here. I don't go rushing.
You guys.
No time. This 12.
Call me queen.
Queen, you call.
You already said it. Thank you.
I don't mean to say it. Don't worry. How is that? Jesus. This is too much. This is too much. You don't finish show.
You don't finish show. You don't finish show.
You don't finish show.
Oh, this one's not spoiler.